Oh, look how beautiful that sunset is, and welcome to our newest listing. Hi, I'm Lee Goldberg with the GCI guys at Revolution Realty. We're here on the chain of lakes in beautiful St. Cloud and Osceola County, and this you can't build. You can't do it. You could almost never find it. A home with a boathouse. This is something, by the way, if you wanted to rent out, you probably could. Perfect for, extended family, but we are here on the water, our beautiful new listing. It's got a boat lift, a boat ramp, completely upgraded. It has a pool, and it is quiet, and it is gorgeous. Listen to this, and look at this. Let's check out our newest listing here at 6355 Bonnie Court in St. Cloud.